Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, Thursday, December 12th, 2024. Now, we're all over the cases. Let's do Diddy, Combs, and Jay-Z first. On the Combs criminal case, yesterday, after 5, I believe, Combs' lawyers doubled down. They said they're not going to give this garagos declaration, ex parte declaration about the searching of the legal paths in the MDC to the government. And the government says they can't respond unless they see that. So that's going to have to be resolved by Judge Subramanian. Meanwhile, in the civil cases, the showdown is brewing. Buzbee versus Spiro. Spiro says Buzbee is a fraudster, essentially saying that his law firm basically tried to coerce prospective clients into going against Diddy. And Buzbee responds that Spiro is just basically a press release put as a legal filing. There seems to be the threat of possible defamation litigation between the two. So it's quite something. In any event, on the Eric Adams front, another beat that we cover, we have the book out, City of Maybe. Actually, just a city councilman just walked by me there. I would have greeted him, but here I am. So City of Maybe. Eric Adams is actually under investigation also by the EDNY, not just the SDNY, the EDNY. And so the question is, which district will actually, there's already the criminal case in SDNY. Will he be defending himself in 2 districts? Is that even possible? Now, yesterday, Damian Williams, the outgoing, I haven't seen what Breon Peace has said, but Damian Williams, I was there when he announced that he's leaving by the end of this week. Tomorrow is his last day. And so yesterday he did a final press conference, I would assume, public press conference about the Alexander brothers and their long history of sex trafficking. Whether this means that EDNY, at least until January 20th or whenever, Idala or whoever is the new EDNY U.S. attorney, whether they'll be taking the lead on some of these cases, we just don't know. I'm going to jump forward here because I got to go and get into court. But what I can say is that Antonio Guterres has been in South Africa, basically pandering, saying that Africa should have a permanent seat on the Security Council. It's not in his power to do it, but he gets massive applause saying it. He's going to be rushing back to New York to be sold like meat on South Street by compliant, sycophant journalists, many of whom are state media from dictatorial countries. We're going to have more on this. Inner City Press, we're going in.